Damn it, Mr. Duck. Hey, what's up? Like, I'm gonna take like Nebraska, and I was actually about to go to Key in the Coop and grab some grub. My brakes are a little sketchy right now, though. yeah. No, that's what I'm saying. It's like I just want to give it a quick little test ride, grab some bite. That's why I wanted to just ride over real quick. Yes, sir. I know this isn't the first time I've ridden the 48 since Josh ruined it for everybody, but this is the first time I'm riding it street legally, where it's not a back road, where just to see if everything's running. I'm going down the road. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. I'm going to Key in the Coop, best Nashville fried chicken in all of Tampa Bay. If you live here, grab some. Trust me. It can get nice and spicy, just so you know if that's something that you don't like, but I'm on the 48, going down the road. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. This is amazing. Ooh. A couple of quick, really first impressions coming off the Bonneville back to the Sportster. Transmissions work. I've been doing that a lot lately. Transmissions work completely different. The Bonneville, when you downshift, it smoothly engages back in. It's not an extreme jerking motion. It's just kind of like, okay, let's slow down. And we're like coming off the Triumph onto a Harley. I go to downshift to engine brake, and the Brap wheel breaks loose. So Harleys aren't always all that fond about engine braking. When it comes to the apes, I've always thought that they would be uncomfortable because like I thought like you'd be holding yourself up, but you're really not. I'm actually really enjoying them because I always felt fine on my drag bars because my arms were loose and it was just kind of right there. In a weird way, I feel like I have more control on the apes. Don't you dare, Mr. UPS, because my brakes are not 100% yet. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, man. This is just super cool. Yeah, engine braking on a Harley is worldly difference. It's just worlds difference apart from other motorcycles, I guess, at this point. I don't think it's a Triumph versus Harley thing. I think it's a Harley versus the world thing. Pretty sure this is a little sketchy still, but guess what? I'm riding my forehead down the street again. Oh, this is awesome. So awesome. Some things still feel like they need some adjustment. For whatever reason, it doesn't return. Yeah, I probably should not be riding this thing right now, but I don't care. Hey, buddy.
How are you doing, sir?
Huh?
How are you doing?
Not bad. I'm a little sketched out right now, but I'm doing good.
Why are you sketched out?
Because this is my broken motorcycle.
Oh, well, it's not broken.
It's not fixed yet either.
How not fixed is it?
I mean, the front brake is making some funny noises.
So did you just like go pick it up? Where has it been? Has it been a ride factory or who's working on it? Or are you guys working on it? You're doing it?
I've done this all.
Fucking nice. Well, I see you've got a new tire.
Yeah, and new straight forks.
So is this the first time you took it out riding it today, right now?
Kind of. I took it like outside in the parking lot of the garage.
How is the garage? I really fucking need to get up there. What are you doing all the way down here?
Josh, wanna go get food and go back to the garage? It's kind of like the maiden voyage.
Wait. So you were, okay. The other bike's up there right now. So now you're up there, you're driving over to see Josh. We're going over to Jen's house, Josh's house. It's Josh's house. Fuck it, man. Josh's house. And you're gonna pick up Josh, and you guys are gonna go get food, and then you're gonna ride back up there.
Yeah. Have fun. Oh, that's right. I still gotta get the fender done. Whoops. Oh well. Ruh-roh. That's battery. I think that's battery. Had that problem before. 2 to sync up the camera, and 1 to hurry the f up. I only did it once. Ooh, my neighbors. It's the middle of the afternoon. Oh man, there's some wobbles. Where else are you gonna do that except for in front of a cop? Nothing like sketchy ass motorcycles. He did the same thing last time. We closed?
Coop's right there. 2 restaurants, same building.
It's been a minute.
Look, for King of the Coop?
Yeah, it's been a minute. It's been a while since I've been here.
Yeah.
And now barbecue.
We're gonna be barbecue, but we won't be open till September.
I'm okay with that. I mean, I'm okay with barbecue. All right, awesome. Even better.
Appreciate it, bro. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, man.
Right now as well. The son of Krusty. Trust me. He's got no back brakes. Front brakes are sketch. My bike's really running. All in all, just another day in the world of Harley Davidson.
What's more exciting than riding a Harley? Riding a sketchy one.
Exactly. Alright, man, if your Harley Davidson isn't sketchy, you're doing it wrong, bud. Okay, so we successfully did not get pulled over by the cops as we rev bombed them.
Where else do you rev bomb? I was showing you a mechanical failure.
Yeah, it's not, officer, it's not my fault. My bike just is barely roadworthy. And don't get mad at me.
It's not my fault. I'm not a mechanic.
Well, you put this thing back together and it's super sketchy and the rear brake doesn't work.
But I got brake lights. Barely.
Technically legal is how I live my life. Yeah,
Yeah, we're going. I'm not taking this thing on the interstate.
no, we're gonna take Florida all the way down.
This is Florida.
Oh god. I said, are you shining for squirrels in the trees with that headlight? It goes straight up.
I don't think so, but maybe. I can get topped off, but not really.
3 whole gallons. You know how it goes with the car. If you ain't buying the round, you're kind of beast.
It's been so long since I spilled gas all over my gas tank. Half a gallon.
Oh, cheap day.
Before I call it a day, I'm gonna leave you with this. I'm not gonna tell you which motorcycle I like better, because there's not an answer to that. These bikes mean two completely different things to me. This is my first bike. This is my heart and soul. And when it comes to motorcycles, it's my friendships. It's everything that I've turned into nowadays. So I don't care how slow it is or how uncomfortable it is at times. This is my girl. This is my go-to. It's like saying what tool is more helpful, a hammer or a wrench. Two completely different tools that make up still faster than you. They're two completely different tools that do two completely different jobs. You can't say which one's a better tool. I'm the best. Try me, bitch. Try me. And on that note, I'm gonna call it a day, because I got me some Nashville fried chicken waiting for me. And I'm a hungry boy. Folks, don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. As usual, I'll catch you on the flip side.